First of all, a big sorry for being late. Guys, I had some big work to do here, so I will be uploading videos but slowly. But for you guys, I will try my best to keep uploading. And I was watching some motivational videos to get motivated. And it works guys. So if you want to be motivated, I have put a link in the description of this channel. You should go see his videos and I am sure that you will also be motivated. So in this video, I am going to tell you why you can't record Zoom meetings and what's the best way to do so. So yeah, a guy had asked me about this and I told him why it's not possible and how to make it possible. So maybe this video will end up quickly because there is not much explanation and I don't want you guys to get bored through me. So the reason that while you can record the Zoom meetings, you won't be able to record its audio is that the Zoom meetings app itself uses your phone's mic. In simple words, while using multiple apps, only one app is allowed to use the mic, and while you are using Zoom uses your mic, but when you try to record the meeting with a screen recorder, it records only the video, which is a big issue for students. So the only possible way to record is that you have to ask the host to record the whole meeting. Yeah guys, that's the only way. There is also another way, is that you have to attend the full meeting without being late or lazy. And for that problem, I have no solution. So that's it guys. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe. Comment below this video if you have any doubts.